Today our topic is number system. Sorry. Okay. So here is the quick introduction of number line, number system, and the quick revision. So firstly, we have to understand what in a number system. Firstly, we have to understand what is natural number. Everyone knows what is natural number. Natural number is just like a counting number, like one, two, three, infinite times. Then what is whole number? In a whole number, we can say 0 plus natural number is whole number, means all the natural number are whole number. Okay, and when we add 0 to natural number, it will become whole number. Now, what is integer? What about the integer? Now, we can say whole number is a positive integers, right? So, what is integers? We can say whole number plus negative integer. Whole number plus negative integer is, or we can say negative number, not negative integer, it is negative number. So, whole number plus negative number is integer, negative number, that is integer. Okay, now what is rational number? So, I would like to explain that rational number is made up of the word ratio. Ratio means any number that is in the form of 1, p and q, right? So rational number is a number that is in the form of p upon q where q is not equal to 0. So all the number that is in the form of p upon q where q is not equal to 0 is rational number. For example, we can say, wait, I'm rubbing this one. Okay, yeah, this one. So we can say, for example, rational number. If we talk about 2, this is rational number. Definitely it is rational number because it can written as 2 by 1. We can write it 2 by 1. So this is rational number, right? If we talk about minus 2, yeah, definitely it is also a rational number because we can write it minus 2 by 1. So all the numbers that is written in the form of ratio is rational number. Okay, so now what is how we can represent the rational number in the number line? Okay, so this is number line, this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is minus 1. Suppose you have to so 1 by 2 in the number line. 1 by 2, that means the total part is 2, right? And 1 by 2 is approx 0.5, means it is greater than 0 but less than 2. Sorry, less than 1. So we have to distribute this part, this line, into equal part. So this is 1, this is 2. Okay, so 1 by 2 will be represent here, it will be 1 by 2. Okay, now what about 8 by 16 or 4 by 8? Let's see. Let's see. Now, if we talk about, 2 by 4 or 4 by 8. So, firstly, you have to do one thing. Okay, you have to do one thing. Just cut it down. Okay, so it will be 2 ones are 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 2s are 8. So it will be their simplest form, right? So 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. Now you can represent it in a number line. Okay, 1 by 2, this will be here. Now what about 3 by 10? This is the simplest form, right? So 3 by 10, how we can represent the 3 by 10? So see, it will be 0.3, right? The 0 will be here, 1 will be here, and 2 will be here. So this is 10. So divided the distance between 0 to 1 in 10 equal parts. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10, right? And we have to represent 3 by 10. So this will be 1, 2, and this will be 3. So this is 3 by 10, okay? So we can say that so here we can say to represent equivalent fraction in number line, we need to reduce equivalent fraction in the form of P upon Q, where P and Q are co-prime number. Okay. So what is co-prime number? What is prime number? Prime number are those number which has only two factor, the one and the number itself. Okay. And the co-prime number means two prime number. Okay. It is a pairing and the definition is same. Now, yeah. Now, what is natural number, whole number? In the first exercise, it is given that is every whole number is a natural number. So see, all natural number are whole number, right? See, all the natural number are whole number, but it does not mean that all the whole number are natural number. Okay. Now see the diagram. In the rational number, there is whole number and natural number. Okay, whole number and natural numbers are included. So we can say all the whole number is rational number because in the whole number, natural number is included. Okay, so if the question is every whole number is rational number? Yes, definitely every whole number is rational number. Is every natural number is rational number? Definitely every natural number is rational number. But if the question is asked that is the every rational number is whole number? No, every rational number is not whole number. Every rational number is not the natural number. Okay. Now the next is real number. So real number means all the numbers, right? So all the number here, it is rational and irrational. We know that all the natural number, all the whole number is rational number. Okay. So all the numbers now, whether it is positive or negative, it is rational number. So what about the irrational number? Okay, we can say the number that is not written in the form of P upon Q is irrational number. Okay, so let's see the example. If we talk about the root, okay, root 5, definitely it is a rational number. Okay, because we cannot find the exact value of root 5, it will be non-terminating. Now pi is again the irrational number. Why? We know that the value of pi is 22 by 7, so it should be a rational number, right? No, 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 it is not rational number. Why? Because this is not the exact value of pi. We can assume that pi is equal to 22 by 7. It is just a, we can say, equivalent value, but it is not the exact value of pi. So we can say pi is irrational number. Any number that is prime and in the form of root, it is irrational number. I said any number that is prime. So if we talk about 4, yeah, definitely it is in root, but it is not a irrational number. This is rational number. Why? Because 4 is not the prime number. 4 is not the prime number. Okay. And the value of root 4 is 2 and 2 is rational number. So this is not irrational number. Okay. Now, next. The next is the first question is wait first question is the rational number between 1 and 2. Find the rational number between 1 and 2. See, we can find the rational number by taking the average of this one. Okay, so 1 plus 2 by 2, this is 3 by 2, this is 1.5, and we can say that 1.5 is greater than by 1 but less than by 2. So this will be the number between 1 and 2, right? So this is a number, a rational number between 1 and 2. Okay, now suppose you have to find out many rational number. Suppose you have to find out 6 rational number. between 3 by 4 and 4 by 5. So what will do? Definitely, you can find the six rational number by using this method. No doubt, you can find out by using this method. But this is so long, right? So I will tell you the alternate method. Suppose you have to find six rational number, right? So six plus one, that is seven. Okay, so multiply 3 by 4 by 7, 4 by 5, 5 will be multiplied by 7. Okay, and 4 will be multiplied by 7. Wait, you cannot multiply like this. If you're multiplying 7 in 4, you have to multiply 4 in 3. Means if you are multiplying any number in denominator or numerator, you have to multiply that number in the numerator or denominator. Okay, so this will be 7. This is not 4, this will be 7. 21 by 28. And suppose this is not 5, this is 4. In the next session, I will tell you the rational number between this. Suppose this is 4. Okay. Now this will be 28 and this will be 28. Now between the 21 and 28, there is 6 rational number, right? So you can find out the 6 rational number. So we can say there are a lot of rational number between any two rational number. Okay. So now what about the real number? We can say it is the combination of rational and irrational number. Okay. Now suppose we have to locate the irrational number on number line. So suppose root 2 is a irrational number, right? And you have to plot root 2 in the number line. So how can we plot? This is 0, right? Suppose, yeah, this is 1, this is 1. Okay, and this is 1 unit. Now this is 1 unit. Draw a 1 unit line again, that is perpendicular. This is again the 1 unit. It is perpendicular line. Okay, and draw this one. Now this is O. This is, we can say, A, and this is B. Okay, so find the value of AO. So what will be the value of AO? By using Pythagoras theorem, AO square will be equal to AB square plus OB square, right? So AO square will be equal to 1 square plus 1 square, that is again 1, and this is root 2. Fine. So the value of AO will be root 2. But we have to plot this root 2 in the number line, right? So what will we do? We have to mark an arc from here. Take this one as a radius and mark it. So it will be like this, an arc. So it will be like this. So definitely this will be root 2. Okay, so this will be root 2. So I'm ending this session now. In the next session we will learn about the square rule spiral and the terminating non-terminating decimal, right? And in the term, we can say in a rational number the number can be terminating and repeating, but in the irrational number will not terminating and non-repeating. Thank you.